You busted! What are you talking about over here? Tired. What? Are you mad? Uh-oh, somebody's sleeping. You sleepy? Are you sleepy? You sleepy? Yes. What, no more talking? Brayden. You ignoring me? Bless you. Bless you. Talk some more. He's looking at my feet. Where are you going? Look at look at him like down at my feet. Lunch. Look at me. Look at me and he looks at my feet. You got a foot fetish. Ew. Oh, there goes your purse. Watch. Busted. You've been caught.
Talking about that awkward moment when you walked into metal detection at the airport and your ass was still stepping off.
Look at him getting into stuff. Look, he can't reach it.
Brayden.
Oh, he got it. He's like, that's not what I wanted. I'm just going for the soda. You can't get it. Busted. Your mama's gonna see all of this. She's gonna be like, oh no, look at my Brayden causing trouble. Uh-oh, you lost it.
No, Brayden, that's mine.
He's like, I really want that. You know what he's looking for later. Look. Raiden! What are you doing? Want to split? Look at that, look at that. Ooh. What happened to the talking? And that smile like I know I'm guilty look. You troublemaker. Here, go away from the table. Away from the table. Stay away from the table. She's like, where'd you go? The carpet's in the way. You can't go no further. The carpet's there. Boo! Aha, you're gone. I'm looking at my foot. Want that? Hey, you can't get it. You can't get it. No. Want it? Want it? Yep. Hey, you in the funny little car. You. Ew, get your hands out your mouth. Can't have my foot no more. You wanting that? Want that? No. Want that? No. Raiden. What is he looking at now? Raiden. Hey. No soda. Come here. So he's on a mission to get soda right now. No, do it again. He didn't see you.
The soda's over there.
You should show them where it's at. Look it.
Don't yell at me.
You want the soda? You go get it yourself. It's over there. Aw, he's tired.